Here are 5 most important things you need as a crochet beginner to kickstart your crochet journey. Hi there and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be telling you about 5 most important things you need as a crochet beginner. So the first thing you need obviously is your yarn. That's what makes up your crochet designs, and you can just get that around anywhere. If you're in Nigeria, you know yeye wool is like the most common yarn that we have around, and this is a lightweight yarn because the medium weight is not very popular. So what I do is I just take from inside of the wool and then I double my strands. This way it becomes very easy to use. So I recommend, if you are a beginner, you double your strands to use. This way it makes using your hook very easy, like from your 4mm, 3mm crochet hook. So the next thing you need is your hook. So if you're not financially buoyant to get all the packs, I'll recommend getting just one. I'll recommend getting the 4mm crochet hook because that is like the most versatile of all the hooks to me, because you can use it to make your cardigans, tops, whatever thing you want to make. So I highly recommend the 4mm crochet hook. So the next thing you need is a pair of scissors. Get yourself a good pair of scissors, because there are some scissors they are not it at all. So just get yourself a good pair of scissors. So the next thing you need is your yarning needle. You get that to close off your work, whatever thing you're making, a cardigan, a top. You just have to get your yarning needle. So, and the last thing you need is your stitch marker. Getting a stitch marker, it is very, very important, so you can be able to mark off what you are working on. So get yourself a stitch marker. So you can get these tools on Temu if they're not very accessible to you. So if you found this video helpful, please do well to subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you next time. Bye.